Good afternoon. If you recall, the other day I did a short video about these Koxly gloves that I wear. There's some wintertime gloves I got to wear when I ride my trike in colder weather. And I bought myself a pair and my husband a pair for Christmas. Anyway, I am very, very impressed with these. I rode in 36-degree weather the other day and my hands stayed warm the whole time. Now the sun was shining, kind of daylight, kind of like today, and I was afraid that they might not be very good gloves just because of the price. So that goes to show you can't judge something by the price. Sometimes cheaper things are better than more expensive. And I looked at several different kinds of gloves, expensive ones, cheaper ones, and I have to say that these gloves right here that I'm holding in my hands are really nice gloves. Now that may not be true for everybody. They may not agree with me, but they are very nice gloves, I think. So I will leave a link in the description for you, and thank you for watching.